weeks of meditation tends to affect something in your genes.
I'll tell you that. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So that was from my TED Talk.
Mm.
So the Benson Henry Institute in Massachusetts, they're affiliated with Harvard University. So they've done a lot of studies on mind-body connections. And so what they did is I think they brought 30 or 40 people together. They were novice meditators. And what they did is they checked their gene expression. And so what a gene expression means is what's on and what's off. So your genes can turn things on and turn things off. Like for instance, if you get cancer, you might have the cancer genes turned on, the tumor promoting genes, and then having the tumor suppressing genes turned off.
Okay.
So that's what an expression is. And so they took these people, they checked expressions in the beginning, and they took these people, novice meditators, through 8 weeks of meditation. And it wasn't hardcore meditation. It was like 15, 20 minutes.
15, 20 minutes. Okay. Yeah.
And what they found out is at the end of the 8 weeks, over 1,500 genes had changed their expression. And so 800 of those genes had turned on towards the health side, meaning tumor suppression, anti-stress, anti-cortisol, and 600 to 700 genes turned off from the disease promoting or cancer promoting side.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
I meditate hours a day. I meditate 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours. When do you do it? Like morning, afternoon, or is there a special preference?
So I split it up. I do a long one in the morning, and then I do one at night.
Okay.
And sometimes I'll do one midday if I have kind of the yearning to do it. Like it's interesting. In the old entrepreneurial, expression, like if we got stressed out, we usually went and got a coffee, right? Or or work. So when the more stressed out that I am, the more I know I need meditation. So if I'm stressed, I stop everything.